Hi everybody, this is Lene. I wanted to draw your attention to these mystery value packs that we have on Paper Wishes right now. They're a bargain at $19.99 and you get over $100 worth of product in here. And I just wanted to show you a sample of one of these kits. So I went out to our warehouse and this one is Christmas number 3. And it's sort of a grab bag situation where you can't choose what's in the box, but you are guaranteed a theme and also a base value, a retail value that it's going to be at least that much product. So this one is Christmas, and I think the value of this is over $100. In fact, I'm sure of it. We also have butterflies and birds, and also I think floral kits available, packs available. So I'm just going to open this. Notice how I started that. I wish all packages were that easy. Let's see what's in here. Let's do this one-handed, so bear with me. Alright, excited to see what they put in here. Don't you love getting packages in the mail? Alright, here's our box. So the first item is Christmas Design Toolkit number 9. As always, our packaging has card ideas, sample ideas on it, and also instructions on how to use it. This is one of my favorite templates. It's got all kinds of card shapes. You can also trim the edge of your envelopes with these. There's some card samples on there. Okay. Ooh, this is a good one. Endless Christmas Card CD. And this has over 300 different printable pieces. So you can take this, put it in your Mac or your PC and just print this out and get all of these images that you see on the sample cards. And it also gives you full instructions. So that's nice. All right, here we go. For those of you with die cutting machines, this one is called a half and half pack. So it's got these really cute stocking die cuts and then the stamps that coincide with them. And hey, if you don't have a die cutting machine, you could always gift the dies to somebody that does have one, because the stamps are just adorable. I love that. And on the back, some sample cards. Look, there's Halloween and Christmas. So apparently stockings are not just Christmas. And here we go, Janie's Mice Christmas. What cute art to color in. I love that. There's a lot of images on here. There's 12 clear stamps on this one and ideas on the back. All right, and we also have, oh, the snowflake half and half as well. Same thing, get the 2 dies and an array of snowflakes that go with those and the idea on the back. Oh, I love this one. This is the Ice Skater stamp set with the cutest little girl and the teddy bear idea on the back. Oh, there's a lot in here. Home for the Holidays stamp set with all these cute little houses. And look, you can make that little card right there. It's fun to color. Oh, and we've got a sheet of Pearl Angel Dazzles stickers. Oh, I did almost miss this. This adorable tiny little clear stamp that says Merry Christmas. And some templates. Okay, this one is Christmas gift card holder template. It's a 12 by 12 template. It has a snowman image to make a snowman pocket and also a mitten and a, what is that, a Christmas tree. And I have used this one many times. It's really cute. And Christmas pockets again. This is a continuation of the first one. So it's got a snowman, teddy bear, a stocking, a different kind of a tree with an ornament. Okay, so I did some quick math here, and everything in this box, the retail value of it was over $106. Your price is $19.99, and as I said, there's Christmas and also a couple of other different themes. So I'm going to attach the link to this video on this site, so check it out, and so you can see what you could get in your box. let us know on Facebook what you think of it. Okay, bye everybody.